Obesity not only ruins our personality, when even a very beautiful person becomes fat then he starts looking bad, but this obesity is harmful for our health. It has been proved in recent researches that even if the heart and be it liver diseases or high blood pressure, sugar and cancer, the risk of getting all these diseases increases manifold due to obesity. So if you want to look attractive and beautiful and also live a healthy life, if you want, it becomes very important to lose weight fast. So if you are also a victim of obesity and want to reduce your increased weight fast, then today's video is going to be very important for you, because today we will tell you about one such remedy of lemongrass. If you use it properly for a month, then with the help of lemongrass tea alone, you will lose 7 to 8 kg of weight in a month. You can get lemongrass fresh as well as dry. At this moment the lemongrass that you are seeing on your screen is dry lemongrass. Lemongrass is very cheap, but its benefits are so much, especially for weight loss, that you can't imagine. Special types of very powerful antioxidants are found inside lemongrass which detoxify our body and remove all those toxins from our body which are preventing weight loss. Similarly, the use of lemongrass is very beneficial for our digestive system. With the use of lemongrass, our digestive system becomes stronger, and always remember this thing, that if you want to lose weight effectively and quickly, then a strong digestive system becomes very important. Similarly, the use of lemongrass tea increases insulin sensitivity in the body and reduces insulin resistance. Use of lemongrass tea also reduces the increased sugar levels in the blood. Also remember this thing, that as long as the sugar level in our blood remains high, the fat burning process in our body stops completely. So to make lemongrass tea, we will need 1 cup of water. Put it in a clean vessel and keep it to boil. The biggest problem of people is the stubborn fat on the stomach, which neither dieting nor exercise is taking the name of reducing. But the biggest benefit of lemongrass tea is this. It is said that it helps in reducing the stubborn fat on our stomach rapidly, because by using it, our slow metabolism gets boosted many times. By using lemongrass tea, our blood gets purified, due to which the skin becomes completely clear. Various types of cells appearing on the skin like pimples, boils, rashes do not appear on the skin. Similarly, powerful anti-cancer properties are also found in lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea can be used for various types of cancer. Powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties are found in lemongrass. Using lemongrass tea reduces the risk of various viral and bacterial infections and various diseases. Using lemongrass tea helps in keeping high blood pressure under control. If it also helps, then you can see that the water has started boiling. Now in this boiling water, we will add 2 tablespoons of lemongrass tea. Immediately after adding the lemongrass tea in the boiling water, now you have to turn off the fire and cover the vessel with the lid and keep it covered for about 5 or 6 minutes, so that the lemongrass tea gets completely prepared in the steam generated inside the vessel. Remember this thing, that boiling after adding lemongrass tea to the water, you should never keep the fire open. Often people cook lemongrass tea on fire, due to which all the nutrients present in lemongrass tea are beneficial and help in reducing weight. They also help in loss. They all get destroyed. So remember this thing, that as soon as you add lemongrass tea in boiling water, turn off the flame and cover the lid and let it sit for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes of drinking, you have to filter the lemongrass tea with the help of a filter and use it. 1 cup of lemongrass tea in a day is enough. At most, you can drink only 2 cups of lemongrass in a day. You can use the tea once in the morning and once in the evening. Do not use more than 2 cups of lemongrass tea in a day. Otherwise, instead of benefit, you may have to face harm, because using too much lemongrass tea can cause dryness in the body. Such people are born who use medicine for high blood pressure. Never use lemongrass tea without doctor's consultation. If you like the video, then press the like